Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a powerboard on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. This is Pepe Prawns, your host here at the Quadcopter Review. It is July 15th, and it is time to make our selection for the Dark Knight radio giveaway. Now, once again on another pre-order. I don't have it. I have no idea why. Supposedly it was supposed to be here June, end of June, and it's still not here to this date. So whoever we select as the winner, you and I will work out staying in touch, and I will let you know when I have it and when I'm sending it to you. So if you're not familiar how this works, what we do is we go ahead and we grab the URL of our video. We stick it in the random YouTube picker. We put it in there. We hit the lookup button. It sees how many we have. It says 240. We have 242, but as you can see here, 2 of them are mine, so that's going to be deleted out. So everybody did a good job of putting one comment in this time. So then we go to our start button. We hit start, and we see who we get. Let's see, round and round she goes, round she goes, round she goes. And we have Rory O'Connell. Rory O'Connell, we need to check him out. So we go ahead and we click his name here. Go down, see who he's got subscribed up in here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Jesus, it's right down here in front of my face. My God, sorry. So we look in here, and this is obviously not his full list, so we need to make sure we are checking, because obviously that's short. Let's look here. Yep, there we go. And we do some scrolling here, and hopefully, there we are. So we're in here, and so he has met the criteria. He's put in his one comment. He's a subscriber of mine, and he has won the radio. Now, once again, Rory, you and I will make contact. Go ahead and comment on this video to start the communication between you and I. And I just want to make sure everybody realizes there's plenty of other giveaways going on. There always will be. So no need to panic and unsubscribe like so many do when these contests are over. Trust me, if I could, you all would have one, but I can't do that. But, you know, the more we build up the subscribers we got and so on, the more other companies are going to be willing to give us some things for the subscriptions, and we can, you know, do more. But right now, like I said, don't forget to listen to my dog bark and my wife yell at her. But don't forget, we have our current giveaways list here that you can come check out. I'm going to be taking that one out, but we're doing a camera. We got some fat sharks we're giving away. So there's still plenty of things going on, and there'll be a lot more coming in there. So once again, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, stay subscribed. Thanks for tuning in, and keep your eye out for more videos to come. Happy flying, guys.